Hello, North Texas A4LE. We are seeking the Gold Impact Award to permanently upgrade our standalone school-based health clinic. The physical and educational impacts of this project are deeply intertwined. When students lacked access to adequate health care, chronic absenteeism skyrockets. With this $10,000 grant, we will permanently install professional-grade diagnostic and exam stations in our standalone facility. The physical impact is immediate. Students get faster access to immunizations, sports physicals, and preventative care. The educational impact is profound. We are closing the health care gap so our students spend less time sick at home and more time in the classroom learning. What makes our initiative truly unique is that this standalone clinic serves a dual purpose. It is a functional healthcare facility and a real-world learning laboratory. Because it is physically separate from our standard K-12 campus, it operates exactly like a professional community clinic. We are utilizing this space to bridge the gap between education and industry. By outfitting this clinic with industry standard equipment, we are creating an unparalleled off-campus clinical practicum site for our high school health sciences and nursing students, right here on district property. How does an off-campus building improve the learning environment inside our schools? First, by centralizing comprehensive care in this standalone clinic, we alleviate the heavy burden on our individual campus nurses, allowing them to focus on daily triage and immediate student needs. Second, our career and technical education, CTE students, this is their learning environment. Traditional classrooms can only simulate healthcare. This grant allows us to build a permanent, immersive training space where students can shadow professionals, log practicum hours, and practice patient intake in a real-world setting. We have clear, measurable goals that we will achieve within 1 year of receiving this award. Number 1, facility upgrade. Fully install and permanently equip 2 new professional diagnostic exam rooms within the standalone clinic. Number 2, reduce absenteeism. Provide preventative care, immunizations, and physicals to at least 300 students, directly reducing health-related school absences. Number 3, career readiness. Integrate the facility into our CTE curriculum, allowing a cohort of upper-level health science students to complete required clinical shadowing hours on site. All of these improvements will be instituted solely on district property within 1 year. Because our clinic is a standalone building, it is the perfect bridge between our school district and the broader community. It allows us to host after-hours community health events, wellness seminars, and family vaccine drives without compromising the security of our daily campuses. It establishes a permanent footprint that proves public schools can be the epicenter of community revitalization and physical wellness. We cannot wait to return to a North Texas chapter meeting next year to share the data on exactly how many students, families, and future healthcare workers were positively impacted by your investment.